22, who I'm going to call B&B, and me, Lala. And I'm making a sunny side up toast, which is toast with,
currently waiting for her to finish introing.
And it's going to be on there without anything on top. And B&B is making...
I'm going to be making fruit kabobs because it's almost dinner time and I don't want to fill myself up completely. So I have tangerines, a banana, blackberries, blueberries, and then sticks. So yeah, you can even do this stuff at home because like it's really simple, really easy, and yeah. Should we start now?
To start, B&B is gonna
cut up a banana.
And I am going to spread the... Is this jelly or jam?
I don't know. I don't like either.
I have no idea, so...
I need to go get a knife, bro. Okay, I'm gonna lower my screen down and I hope it looks okay. So yeah. We're gonna make them like pretty thin and thick.
Spreading is fun! This is super exciting, heart-throbbing activity you can do at home, kids. No,
yeah, watching me cut a banana is the best thing ever.
And watching me spread jelly and jam or whatever is also amazing. Please don't leave the video if you find this part boring.
Yeah, and please don't dislike this. Okay, so I have my chopped up bananas. So now I'm gonna start skewering random things.
Skewering random things?
I just poured out all the sticks. I'm done. Okay. So I have a yellow one. I don't know exactly how to do this, but so I saw an image. I might need to use a bigger spoon. So I'm first put on. I'm first kind of a very stupid popsicle stick. First gonna skewer
so I
the tangerine.
Spreading the jam
then
half,
the banana.
jelly half, the whatever half on mine, and now I'm spreading the, oh wait, this isn't peanut butter, sunflower seed butter on it using the same knife because I can.
This actually looks like a robot, bro. Does this look like a robot? You probably can't even see it.
Actually, it does.
Yeah, so we have robot kebab right here. I'm going to name all of these. So next, I'm going to do this based more on berries because we have blueberries, which are delicious. And you might be asking, why do you have so much fruit? Because I like fruit. Actually, I don't. Why is my mom? She was making stuff, like a recipe, and it was really good. So we just have a lot of leftover fruit. So that's why. So this one is the lightsaber one.
I finished.
I'm literally relating.
Mine, and now here comes the fun part. The part that deserves heavenly music. I close this in half and move it around.
Because when you said sunny side up, I'm like, why do you want to cook an egg? So this is, I don't even know. This is another robot.
3 men in a tub. It's just occurred to me. Why would 3 men be in a tub together? Unless it's like a hot tub or something.
But what about COVID?
Woo, I forgot that tiny detail too.
And that's looking delicious. This is so fun just watching me skewer fruit, you know. I'm going to edit this down and speed it up so y'all don't have to watch me just skewer fruit the whole time.
Now that me and B&B are pretty much done, she can still do some, but she's done with some. We are going to eat ours, and you can watch us eat it. Cue the heavenly music.
You got to let the judges decide. Okay, no, who cares? Nope. Okay. So I have my 4 kebabs.
They're actually really good.
I have this one, who is going to be called the Angel. This one, who's going to be called Lightsaber 2.0. This one, to be called the Eyeball. This one to be called Lightsaber. And this one to be called Robot. So now, I'm going to eat it. This is going to be hard because I have a mask on.
Since I know all the ones on my channel can't exactly see the perfect view of B&B, go to her channel and watch her version of the video after watching mine.
Same, because I actually... Wait, you can see the view now. You just get to watch her eat. No, my camera's gonna fall. Now I'm gonna eat this one. This has basically blueberries. Look at how weird this is. I'm literally like... It's like inside the mask it goes where it comes, no one knows.
Okay.
This actually tastes
That brings us to
surprisingly
the
good.
end of our very short collab video. I thought this was really fun, especially the squelching part with Heaven.
For the horrible editing, if there is any. First time editing on a computer. Because I just figured out how, which is kind of sad. But anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Go check out her channel. And yeah, bye.